Hey guys, so today we're going to do quick maintenance here to this Onan generator here. It's like you see, a QG4000 model, and what we're going to do, it's at 150 hour mark, so we're going to do an oil change and an air filter change. So first things first, which I did before starting this video, if not you wouldn't be able to hear me, was just start up the generator, let it run just a few minutes just to kind of get that oil heated up a little bit, just get it warm so that this can flow a lot easier. So let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done. Alright, so the first thing we have to do, underneath the generator, we've got this little cover that's covering up the nut to the oil pan. So first things first is just taking off one screw. I like to take one off completely, and the other one, just loosen it up a little bit so that you can swing this out of the way, and that'll reveal the nut that we need to work with. So that nut is the number 12, and all we have to do is take that out so that we can drain that oil pan. So let me get the right tool for that, since we have this pipe in the way, and we'll get right to that. Alright, so the air filter, we just have this little wing nut to take off on this end. That's what it looks like here. Go ahead and focus this on this side. There we go. Alright, once the wing nut's off, we can take this cap off, clean that off. And that'll reveal the air filter, which has a separate wing nut. So we'll take that wing nut off. There we go. And now we can take this filter out. And you just have to wiggle that, go at an angle so that it'll come out. So I like to go bottom right angle as I go pushing this out. And that'll release it, and then you just pop it straight out. So it was in desperate need of a new filter for sure. And here is what the new one looks like. So we'll get this one in. There's only one opening that goes towards the motor. The other side's closed, which is what's going to have the wing nut on that side. So I like to back it in first, same way we took it out, and then go at an angle to get it in place. So, first wing nut, just get it in there nice and snug. Good. Alright, I'll go ahead and clean this cap off and we'll put that on with the last nut. Alright, let's see how the oil's doing. And that has stopped. Let's go ahead and put everything together down below. Alright, so after putting the plugs back in place down below, putting the one screw from that cover that swings out of the way on, we'll go ahead and fill this up with oil, and that'll be it, because we got the air filter. Fill this up and we'll measure it with the dipstick to make sure we're good on the level of oil, and that's pretty much it. Have a good day.